Alright, today we're going to do a video of a Mori Seiki Duraturn 2550. It's new in 2006. Serial number T255FL0082. It has a Mori Seiki MSC 504 control, which is a FANUC-based control. It has a 12-position turret, has a parts catcher, tool setter, a chip conveyor, also a tailstock. We'll wrap it the Z-axis. There's your X. Index the turret. And we'll run the spindle. That's 1,000 RPM. That's about 2,000. Hearing some belt noise. And I'll show you the tailstock. It's a number 4 Morse taper on the tailstock. I think that just about does it. The machine can be seen under power in our Harrison, New Jersey warehouse. Thanks for watching.